see whether it is purely good journey or not. So now that you just entered in your career, whatever you have already done, it's okay. But in future, you should be very particular because you have taken up teaching as a career. So you will be mentoring so many students. So many students are part of the department. So it's better to get a lesson from your work. Whatever you सब बताना है, मैं बहुत lenient way में आपसे बातचीत otherwise are very harsh. But at the time of synopsis, at the time of writing, not at the last time of writing.
When did you submit your thesis?
Sir, it is in November, sir, October 2014.
What have you been doing after that? Aspect of your research.
Sir, I was just fully concentrating on the findings.
You are too obvious that you are not busy.
Concentrating on the findings.
What I can do in
They are too cloudy. Do you really want to put the research? Is it comparison or intention?
No, sir.
It might be a comparison, now it should be intention. How are you doing now in this kind of research? Is it good?
Sir, I want to do some better, more better than
There is one term, research aptitude. You have that research aptitude? Can you say? No.
You remain involved. Teaching is the way to learn. Learning is the first part of teaching. And research is going to help both of them. Please mind. If you want to learn teaching is the way to learn. Learning is the must part of teaching. And research is essential for both of them. So please remain. And your thesis as such cannot be accepted by the university for publication. You have to give at least one correct. Okay. You read in with there are mistakes. You have to take care of. It may be in
so this copy.
one copy you write. That should be correct. Lingually, you have been part of subject also. When I try to find it out, you should go for a good thing. Your work is good. You have degraded your work. Erased.
Analyze it differently. You know, when I was doing my PhD, my supervisor later on expired, but he corrected my chapter, research methodology, 15 times. I had to write research methodology chapter almost 15 times. And the only chapter my supervisor corrected. After that, I have not. So, you again to read, because supervisor's responsibility just to, you are the one who are doing research. You are the one who is done data. You know each and every data. Actually, one has to be in that mode, always thinking while writing cases. You are always thinking about research. You don't think anything else. How it can be, what should be there, what I have done when I was doing data collection. But while explaining your results of discussion, you go back to your work and then you see how the respondents were reacting and what was the, how we can explain. You go to families, see, you are a particular religious group, maybe you may discuss others also. We cannot make such kind of statements that on the basis whether it is research or not, that Muslims are like that, Hindus are like that. We cannot. This is highly unethical. Have you done your plagiarism aspects and ethics aspects have you included in your research? Because every research also has to take into consideration ethics, plagiarism, all aspects. So now when you go for publication, also mention what ethical guidelines you have. Do you know what are the important ethical guidelines? Confidentiality.
Yes.
So have you mentioned in your thesis? Because there is a informed consent of the participants, confidentiality and
Replicability, replication,
no,
generalizability.
Unfortunately,
You go to three APA guidelines online. There are APA guidelines we generally follow in psychology, American Psychological Association. Although there are American Counseling Association, they have different guidelines. UK, British, they have slightly different, but the basic guidelines are the same. So you have to, you can see the RCI online, Rehabilitation Counseling of India, they have also given. But you follow those, and you, when you start your data collection, you have to protect the, there is a right to the respondent, he or she can leave anytime. So there is an informed consent, that is the first page, introducing yourself as a researcher, seeking permission from a school. Have you got permission from the
Yes, ma'am, of course, without the.
Have you explained your synopsis, what you are going to do? Have you explained everything? And you mentioned to the respondents you can leave any time during this research. ये सारा जो है ये उसमें अपेंडिक्स में जो लास्ट पेज होता है वो लिखा है. अब आपका पेपर कहीं पब्लिश नहीं होगा क्योंकि आप नॉट मेंशन किसी अच्छे जर्नल में अगर आपने एथिकल गाइडलाइंस फॉलो किया. एंड दिस इज द ट्रेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी. जब आप रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी का कोर्स करते हैं एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर नाउ तो कंपलसरी है. Without coursework, you cannot get a degree. You have coursework is there. It's an important part. हमारा तो 6 months का research methodology course है, and 2 papers are there. One is based on specializations, and one is completely research methodology. But we cannot cover ethics in psychological research completely. Okay. Ethics is ethical topics. Okay. We go through that again. I'm trying to mention.
For example, fortunately, you would not have down to your thesis. आपने पढ़ा. There are a number of questions you raised. You have been in Mishra Devban, Shah Waliullah. There is a difference of 100 years. Devban came to existence after 100 years almost. So how there is a correlation? Shah Waliullah had written a letter to Rana Shah Dani. Yeah, historical aspect. So it is very interesting. So informative for you. You must go through all. Whatever you have mentioned, you must go through. Anyway, you
Subject क्या? What's your subject?
chemistry. Chemistry.
Chemistry. You know, science. We say psychology is a science. What is that? So when we say psychology
For
is a
the study,
science.
can we change the title or we will have the same?
Now in paper you can. You are free to do any changes anytime. The data will be your main. Data will not change. You
Yes,
are not
ma'am.
supposed to make any kind of manipulations, etc.
Whatever you got.
But you can analyze it. You can break it. You can make it one variable, another variable, and different analysis.
In the statistics also, but not the that.
But you need guidance for that.
You come to you are in supervisors, very good supervisor, very good expert. Other expert are from DH, very senior person like that.
Mishra ji,
Mishra ji.
PC Mishra. Professor PC
You
Mishra.
are fortunate that they have given report. So whatever recognize are there, whatever shortcomings are there, you are supposed to take care of. It is going to help you. Okay? So that tension is over. No need of stress, no tension, be relaxed. Be involved in research. Whatever has been left, that there should not be there. The research there is a must. I think we have should be there. So please be involved. Okay? Congratulations. मैडम अपने हाथ से कोई मिठाई खाओ।
Sir,